Two major wildfires are raging across the Oklahoma Panhandle, threatening communities and prompting evacuations. The largest blaze near Beaver has already engulfed approximately 23 square miles, while a second fire near Hooker is growing, with its full size still unknown. High winds, gusting up to 65 miles per hour, are pushing both fires north toward Kansas, complicating firefighting efforts. Emergency personnel are on the ground, monitoring the flames and assisting residents in evacuation zones. Oklahoma Forestry Services has issued multiple fire warnings across the western part of the state. Authorities have closed highways and urged residents to avoid travel near the affected areas. The combination of dry conditions and strong winds has created extreme fire behavior, sending plumes of smoke across the horizon and reducing visibility for motorists. Communities in the path of the fire are being closely monitored, with shelters and emergency response teams on standby. Officials emphasize that the fires remain uncontrolled and that conditions are expected to remain dangerous until winds decrease and firefighting resources can gain a stronger hold. Residents are urged to follow official updates and evacuation orders to stay safe. The situation continues to develop, with crews working around the clock to contain the blazes and prevent further spread into populated areas.